Hi, and welcome to 2-Minute Topics. Today's topic is the 7th episode of our 9-part series on inventory management. Now, we're talking technology, and it's a hot topic in the supply chain world. But I think we can all agree that it really does play a central role in how organizations control, update, and synchronize inventory information. So, let's talk about tech within inventory management with your 2 minutes starting now. Visibility is the foundation of effective inventory control. Without clear, real-time insight into where materials and products sit across the network, planning becomes reactive, decision-making slows, and execution efficiency declines. Technology bridges this visibility gap by connecting the physical flow of goods with the informational flow that supports planning and fulfillment. But inventory accuracy is actually the result of how well systems capture movements, translate those movements into usable data, and communicate that data across the supply chain. With that foundation in place, we can now look at how visibility is created and sustained in practice. To understand how this works, we need to look at 4 key systems that define how inventory information flows across the supply chain. So number 1, Warehouse Management System, or WMS. This controls inventory activity inside of a facility. It manages inbound and outbound transactions, maintains real-time inventory balances, directs material handling, and enforces storage and picking logic. It also ensures that each physical movement has a matching system update, which keeps data aligned with actual operations. When configuration and execution are consistent, accuracy is obviously stable. But when they're not, discrepancies build and disrupt planning and fulfillment. Number 2, the Transportation Management System, or TMS. This extends visibility beyond the warehouse. It supports freight planning, routing execution, and tracking. But the TMS provides status information, expected arrival timing, and alerts for disruptions, and these updates influence how organizations plan replenishment, schedule production, and manage inventory availability. A TMS also produces transportation performance data that informs planning decisions and helps assess the reliability of transit flows. Number 3, Order Management System, or OMS. This manages the demand signal, so it captures customer orders, validates availability, and determines how inventory is committed across the network. The OMS links demand to available planned and in-transit supply, so accurate allocation depends on timely information from upstream systems. When information flow is inconsistent, orders allocate incorrectly, service levels decline, and inventory positions become harder to control. And number 4, Enterprise Resource Planning System, or ERP. This integrates operational and financial data, so it connects procurement, production, warehousing, transportation, and sales in a unified structure. The ERP maintains the financial valuation of inventory and supports planning activities across the organization. It consolidates inventory positions and performance metrics, but only when upstream data is accurate and current. This integration provides the foundation for forecasting, costing, and management decision-making. So what does this information actually mean in practice? Well, evaluate whether each of your systems align with the process that it actually supports. Manual activity, disconnected tools, and repeated entries indicate that the configuration does not match operational needs. If you use dashboards or indicators, they should promote proactive control and guide daily decisions. So they have to highlight exceptions and prompt action rather than just display information without context. Inventory visibility and technology enablement are operational requirements. When systems align with process and information flows correctly, organizations reduce variability, improve decision speed, and maintain reliability across the network. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll talk about performance metrics for inventory management.